So we talked about mapping, and then we wanted to come up with something that you could do in order to teach your body how to connect the body part to the legs.
And so here's the exercise. You'll stand split weight, but not in the middle. You'll stand mostly over one foot, but not so much that if you were to pick up the other leg, you wouldn't fall. Right? But you're mostly on the other foot. And then your partner is going to gently push you the other way until you can pick up your free leg.
It's not so gentle.
And then they'll push your body over and you'll collect your feet. And it will feel a little bit like a snap. So one more time. And then, in this case, she tumbles me over. And you can do it inside or front or back. But one key point is that the foot doesn't move until the center moves. The center doesn't move until the foot moves. And then. So in super slow motion, there's a moment right here. If I pick up my foot, I fall. And as she pushes, right there, I can pick up the foot off the floor. And that's the first moment to realize. Do that slowly. Okay, now I can pick up the foot.
The point being that the leg needs to be cleared of the floor so that it can connect to the core and move together.
And then after that, then it'll swap. And the movement of the center and the movement of the leg will really correspond. And you can do this not only in a side step, but you can do this in front or back as well. So for example, if I was taking a back step, once again, I don't stop in the middle because I'll be really heavy. I'll stop mostly on the back foot.
And he'll be really heavy anyway.
And then I'll say, oh, I can feel
Oh, that's not so bad.
that collect my feet. Or it could be a forward step. And I'm paying attention to the collection. Notice I've moved to the front foot. And, sorry, I'm too far back. Scoop it. There we go. And like looking at it, it doesn't look like much is happening. But
it feels like
yeah.
much is happening.
So again, the beginning very slow, then the collection do fast for a while, and then once you get that, you can go a little slower.